In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change minimum night stay on booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your property requires a specific number of nights per booking. This is helpful for reducing one-night gaps, preparing for busy weekends, or aligning with your housekeeping schedule. Start from your booking.com Extranet dashboard. From here, go to Rates and Availability. This section holds all the settings that determine how your rooms are priced and what conditions guests must meet to book. Next, click Rate Plans. You'll see the plans you already use, such as standard or non-refundable. Choose the plan you want to manage by selecting it, especially if you want the minimum stay to apply to that existing plan. If you'd rather keep your current plans unchanged and create a dedicated option with its own rules, click Add New Rate Plan instead. When adding a new plan, select Custom Plan, then choose Add Rate Plan. A custom plan lets you set tailored conditions without affecting your other plans. This is ideal if you want, for example, a plan that always requires longer stays during certain times. Within the plan settings, find the section labeled Restrictions or Minimum Stay. The exact wording can vary, but you're looking for where Booking.com controls how many nights a guest must book. This is the field that governs the minimum length of stay. Now enter the minimum nights. In the Number of Nights field, type the value that matches your policy. For instance, entering 2 means a guest must book at least 2 nights. This setting is simple but powerful. Even a small change can influence your occupancy and reduce turnarounds. Think about your operations and demand when choosing the number. Take a moment to review the details on the page so the restriction applies exactly as you expect. Confirm that you're editing the correct plan and that the minimum stay aligns with your pricing. If you added a new plan, make sure the description and conditions are clear for guests. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new minimum night requirement is now applied to the selected rate plan. Updates typically reflect quickly on your listing, though it can take a short while to propagate across all channels. That's it. You've adjusted your minimum stay by navigating to Rates and Availability, opening rate plans, selecting or adding a plan, finding restrictions or minimum stay, entering the number of nights, and saving your changes. Thanks for watching, and keep optimizing your settings to attract the right stays for your property.